The Document Terms tool gives you a table view of terms that appear in each document. So here we can see shall appears 3 times in document number 2. That's the relative frequency, and that's the trend of shall across this document. In comparison, if we look at the terms tool, we get the total frequency across the corpus and the trend across the corpus here. So if we select government over here under terms, then we get the frequency of government per document over here. And if we select government under document terms, then down here we get the context of government in document number 12. You can also add more columns. Here you can add the column for significance and for z-score. And down here you can search for more terms to see their frequency per document. Up here you have the export button to open the tool in a new tab. You can export HTML code or reference, and you can export the data as HTML, text, or JSON. Here you can switch to a different tool, and under options you can add more stopwords. If you want more information, you can click on the question mark.